At present, it's reasonable to state that Toyota stands out as the top choice for anyone seeking a car that doesn't unexpectedly fail. If you were to ask me which vehicle is the most dependable today, I could easily list 5 models that carry the Toyota badge. However, nothing in the automotive industry is entirely absolute. Over time, several other automakers have managed to either rival or match Toyota when it comes to reliability. Hi everyone! Today, we'll take a front row seat to explore some car brands that either rival Toyota, match its reliability, or in certain areas may even surpass it. Subaru. When discussing reliable automakers, Subaru is often one of the first brands to come to mind. Known for its rugged and dependable vehicles, Subaru has built a reputation for producing cars that excel in tough conditions. Have you ever driven or closely examined Subaru's SUVs, such as the Crosstrek or the Forester? Unlike many typical SUVs built with thinner materials, these vehicles are specifically crafted to endure challenging driving environments. This focus on durability has helped Subaru secure its place as a prominent player in the global automotive market. One of Subaru's standout features is its symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Unlike many systems found in competing brands like Toyota, Subaru's all-wheel drive is designed for maximum durability and performance. Models such as the Forester and Outback are equipped with this system, making them especially adept at navigating rugged terrains and harsh weather conditions. In fact, these SUVs often outperform Toyota's RAV4 and Highlander when it comes to handling off-road challenges and adverse driving scenarios. Subaru's emphasis on practicality and simplicity further enhances its reliability. At first glance, Subaru vehicles might appear complex, but their designs are built around straightforward, proven engineering principles. The brand consistently uses high-quality materials and adheres to strict quality control measures during production. This ensures that Subaru cars experience fewer mechanical issues over their lifespan. For instance, the Subaru Impreza is frequently ranked higher than the Toyota Corolla in reliability studies, particularly for its engine and transmission performance. Another key factor contributing to Subaru's dependable reputation is its commitment to safety. Subaru vehicles rarely face safety-related recalls, a testament to the brand's rigorous testing and quality assurance. This dedication to building safe and durable cars solidifies Subaru as a trusted competitor in the automotive industry, standing shoulder to shoulder with giants like Toyota. Whether tackling rough roads or offering peace of mind with reliability and safety, Subaru continues to be a top choice for discerning drivers. Mazda. Mazda has come a long way from its earlier reputation for producing agile, fun-to-drive cars. Today, Mazda has become synonymous with reliability, showcasing the brand's evolution and its embrace of innovative manufacturing techniques. In fact, Mazda has grown to become one of Toyota's strongest competitors in terms of dependability. Mazda's strategy focuses on simplicity and precision, avoiding overly intricate technologies that could lead to potential mechanical or electronic problems. This approach has helped propel Mazda into the top ranks of reliability surveys, including the annual rankings by Consumer Reports. For example, in 2021, Mazda was listed alongside Lexus and Toyota as one of the 3 most reliable car brands. Comparing the Mazda CX-5 with Toyota's RAV4 highlights how close Mazda has come. While the RAV4 may hold greater overall popularity, the CX-5 has gained recognition for its excellent driving dynamics and reliability. Owners have noted that the CX-5's engine and transmission are comparable to, if not better than, those of the RAV4. Similarly, the Mazda 3 rivals the Toyota Corolla as a highly reliable compact car, featuring robust electronics and infotainment systems, as confirmed by J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study. Mazda has also prioritized weight reduction and improved fuel efficiency in its newer models without compromising on durability. If the brand continues on this path, its vehicles could potentially outperform Toyota's in key areas of reliability. Before diving into the next, I'd truly appreciate it if you tap those buttons below. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and give this video a like. Now buckle up and let's jump into the discussion. Honda. When discussing non-luxury automakers, Honda often stands out as Toyota's closest competitor in reliability. Both brands have built a reputation for producing vehicles that are not only efficient and durable, but also easy to maintain. Industry research, such as studies conducted by J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, frequently places Honda in the same league as Toyota, or even slightly ahead when it comes to long-term dependability and owner satisfaction. A key contributor to Honda's success is its innovative variable valve timing and lift electronic control technology. This advanced system optimizes engine performance by adjusting valve timing for different driving conditions. At lower speeds, VTEC prioritizes fuel efficiency, while at higher RPMs, it enhances power output. This ingenious balance has earned Honda engines a reputation for being both durable and fuel efficient, a combination that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Honda's commitment to reliability is perhaps best exemplified by its flagship models. Take the Honda Civic, for example. This compact car is often considered a stronger competitor than the Toyota Corolla, thanks to its robust engine, responsive transmission, and impressive longevity. The Civic's ability to maintain peak performance over many years has made it a favorite among budget-conscious drivers who refuse to compromise on quality. Similarly, the Honda CR-V, a leader in the compact SUV segment, is frequently lauded for outperforming the Toyota RAV4 in reliability, particularly in the durability of its powertrain. Older CR-V models have consistently demonstrated superior long-term performance, cementing the model's place as a top choice for families and adventurers alike. Overall, Honda's consistent focus on engineering excellence, reliable powertrains, and practical yet innovative designs has allowed the brand to rival Toyota in almost every aspect of vehicle reliability. In some segments, Honda even surpasses Toyota, proving that its dedication to long-term dependability and customer satisfaction continues to drive its success in the global automotive market. Lexus. Although Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, it deserves recognition as a separate brand for its unparalleled commitment to reliability. Leveraging Toyota's engineering principles, Lexus elevates its vehicles through the use of premium materials and meticulous quality standards. In J.D. Power's 2023 Vehicle Dependability Study, Lexus surpassed Toyota in reliability rankings. This achievement reflects the brand's dedication to delivering refined and dependable vehicles. Lexus cars are designed with fewer issues in key areas, such as electronics, safety features, and powertrain components, critical factors in the luxury segment. Consider the Lexus RX compared to Toyota's Highlander. Both are mid-size SUVs, but the RX consistently experiences fewer issues with its powertrain and electronics. Similarly, the Lexus ES, which shares its platform with the Toyota Camry, outperforms the Camry in long-term reliability thanks to superior craftsmanship and premium features. In a nutshell, Lexus combines Toyota's dependable engineering with luxury elements, offering drivers a level of reliability that justifies its higher price tag. That wraps up our list of car brands that rival Toyota in reliability. From Subaru's rugged engineering to Mazda's simplicity and Honda's consistent performance, these brands demonstrate that Toyota isn't the only name in dependability. And of course, Lexus proves that even Toyota's luxury offshoot can surpass its parent company in certain areas. Thanks for sticking with me through the video. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, drive safe.